Greetings! Welcome to the new tutorial. Today you will learn how you can create a cool smoke effect for product renders or something like that. To create smoke, we need an object that will store smoke in its volume. I will use a cube. Create a camera. In the shader editor, create a new material for the cube and use these nodes. Let's put the product and lighting. I'm going to use the sun at this angle. Link to the watch model in the description. To create chromatic aberrations, I use such nodes in compositing. I think that's it. You can adjust the smoke more accurately with a node. Thank you all for watching. Good luck guys.